Imagine yourself in this 2013 Ford Escape SE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are luggage rack, power windows, rear window wiper, reclining seat, front bucket seats, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, tilt steering wheel, and AM/FM stereo, CD. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.